Welcome back to 7-Minute Options on Thursday, February the 3rd. There are about 5 minutes left just before the market closes, so I'm going to make a couple of quick moves here. Not a whole lot, but Joby here down to 362, and I'm going to pick up 100 shares. Let's do it. And that's filled right away. The idea here is that I picked up 100 shares for $10 each. Now I picked up 100 shares for $362 each. So now 1,362 per 100 shares. So right now I'm at like, what is it, $681 or whatever. $681 per share is my average now. So that's fine. Now that I got 200, let's see if I can. So we're heading into earnings with Joby. The option pricing is kind of crappy. So February 10th, 15 days away. Yeah, there isn't a whole lot here in terms of option pricing. Yeah, this is not happening. So I'm not going to sell any options against it because really there just isn't a whole lot of premium there. I'm just going to hold on to it. And now if Joby does bounce back at some point in the future, my cost basis is a little bit lower. All right. Next item on my agenda here is SPY. So take a look at SPY here. It's in a bit of a... So it's been following this. Actually, I can remove these two lines now. So this is going back last 12 months. SPY was following this upward trajectory quite closely. And then, of course, it started deviating back in January, had a bit of a meltdown. You can see the IV spike as a result. Then it kind of bounced back, and now it doesn't know what to do. But because my portfolio is quite highly positive, I want to put on a bearish position in SPY. So what I'm going to do is go out like 43 days and go just outside the expected move and see if I can put on a sell call credit spread, right? You know, if I don't think it's going to go back to like 4, let's look at the delta move here. 10 delta move would be, so I want to sell that one and buy this one. So that's $500 of risk, but I get $40 in credit. Maybe not a whole lot there. That's kind of up there, but it's not that bad, right? It's about $47 of profit on $500 of risk. So that's roughly 10% in 43 days. And this has negative deltas. So I'll take it. It's -3 deltas. Now, am I worried? Yeah, you know what? If SPY goes back to like 483 or something and I lose my $452 on this trade, the rest of my portfolio is actually going to be doing quite well because I am very heavily positively weighted. So I'll take this one. And let's see if that can get filled. How many minutes do I got left? 2 minutes. Damn it. All right. Fine, I'll take $47. But the idea here is I get almost a 10% return in 43 days. And if I'm wrong and the market rips up, well, that's fine because the rest of my portfolio is going to be doing much better than it is doing today. So this helps move my portfolio back to a delta neutral portfolio. I'm still very far from being delta neutral, but if I would be like anywhere within plus or minus 10 weighted deltas or so, or maybe even like 15, I would be pretty happy. On that, I would consider delta neutral, but this is a little bit far away from that. The other thing that happened a few days ago, which was really cool, is GDX hit its GTC limit, automatically closed out at 37 cents, which is fantastic. So I made a good maybe 35, $40 there, thereabouts. I think that was a 50% target there on the profit. So it's always good when that happens. And I'm trying to roll out EWZ. I couldn't roll it out a few days ago. I'm trying to roll it out now. It's interesting. The midpoint is at 63 cents. I'm only asking for 59, but it's not a very liquid market at these high prices. So maybe I got to ask for 58 cents here. And that filled. That's cool. So that buys me a little bit more time on EWZ. I'm just waiting for EWZ to go back below 30. So EWZ, interestingly enough, as SPY has been melting down since January, stocks in Brazil have been melting up. Can somebody explain that to me? That's sure. All right. Whatevs. But again, that's fine. Interesting about EWZ is historically it is negatively weighted. So that's actually kind of good. It actually does help my portfolio be more delta neutral. So It's kind of interesting how it is negatively correlated, stocks in Brazil versus stocks in America. Would love to know more about that one. Maybe I'll take a closer look at that one of these days. But that's about it today. We are just at market close at 1 o'clock. All right. Thanks.